This is an SR 1000 series TV, aka Sears and Roebuck brand TV, from 1986, I believe September. I'll turn it around and look at the tag on the back. I acquired this for $5 yesterday. Yep, it was made in September 1986. It's a sanyo built TV, because I've already been inside it and looked around. And this crack here, I'll have to explain that when I got video of what happened here. But this basically just broke off the back of the set. And when I tried to drive screws in it to fix it, I made that crack happen. So I guess the plastic might be a little bit brittle or something. That was even though I drilled the holes. This TV has been working really good. Matter of fact, I fell asleep with it on last night. Can't get the there we go. There, it's in the connectors and the tripod are together now.
The two things. One is there is a very strong aspiration.
Our cable system still has 2 through 22 on analog, so I can get some of the channels. Can't get anything on the UHF. Back years ago there was a converter that you could buy for sets like this that allowed the UHF tuner to tune cable TV channels, and best I remember that was sold at Radio Shack. As you can see, this set produces a very nice picture.
Raised the specter again of grease exiting the Euro, something which I thought had been settled. Is this still a live possibility?
You know, it's a point that was in the initial draft on Saturday night.
Down here you can see AFC on and off, color, tint, brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Excuse me. And of course it's very simple design. The only thing that was wrong with it when I got it was the channel knob was loose. The VHF, and I showed how I made a video showing how I fixed that. This is the next day. When I was trying to film this set yesterday, we had the president on TV, and that's about all you could watch. That channel knob had some slack in it. And as you might be able to see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there was originally a flat piece of metal, presumably metal, that was in there, and it's now gone, so there's slack in the knob. And what I'm going to do is, I'll show you in a second. I found I'm not a slob or anything. I didn't clean my desk off when I repaired that air conditioner, so I got a piece of the cord insulation right here. That's something I really intend to throw in the trash, and I'm going to try to shove it down in there. With the help of pliers. I'll show you what it's like when it's done. I can't tell if y'all can see if that's went in there or not, but it's there. We'll see if it takes out at least some of the slack out of that channel knob.
You can't be sure of anything anymore, although you may be lonely, and then one day you're smiling again. Every time I turn around, I see the girl who turns my world around. See.
I'll tell you, if that isn't a test for a set's color producing ability, I don't know what is. Other than a test pattern, you know. Alright, I opened the TV up just for the heck of it. As you can see, there's not much going on in here. Now, this is a sanyo set, as you can see on the speaker. And it's from, the chassis is from September 1986. I don't know if that was the final assembly date or what. I'm not sure who owns that sanyo at the time, or if they built their own TVs in their own plants or what have you. But as you can see, this circuit board is about the size of what you see on modern TVs with on-screen displays and video inputs and all that stuff going on. I might see if the focus needs touched up while I'm in here. And that might be, I believe that'd be about all I'll be doing. And I did have a little mishap. This assembly mounts up here, but as you can see, I broke it when I was trying to get the back off the TV. But that's no very big issue. A couple of screws can fix that. Well, I have a semi-success. The finished product is pretty decent, but it caused a crack right there when I put these screws in. And a piece of plastic went flying off this side, and even though it drilled a hole, I don't know what the deal was, even though I drilled these out.